The Great Barrier Reef, magazine article. Dive into the waters of northeastern Australia and you will find the Great Barrier Reef. This natural wonder runs along the coast like a colorful underwater fence. You will see picturesque structures made of coral. Corals are made up of tiny sea creatures that are clumped together. They are often white, pink, or reddish. Some corals are shaped like fans. Others look like the horns of a deer or moose. Still others look like flowers. Perhaps you will have the privilege of seeing the reef from an airplane. This sight is equally stunning. You can see islands of coral in the clear blue-green water. Reefs keep growing in size. The Great Barrier Reef, which has been forming for millions of years, is about 1,400 miles long. Life on the reef is abundant. It is home to more than 1,500 kinds of fish. Hiding near the coral are tiny fish that have bodies you can see through. Deadly stonefish stare at divers with fierce eyes. Sea turtles, clownfish, and dolphins also swim in the waters. Fish like to find nooks and crannies within the reef. There, they can slumber in safety. They must stay hidden because the barrier reef is a hunting ground. Sharks, stonefish, and manta rays are just a few of the predators that search for food in these waters. In recent years, scientists have noticed changes in the Great Barrier Reef. They have inquired about how human activities might be affecting it. Money was set aside. Then formal tests were run. The tests showed that the reef is no longer growing. The scientists believe that the pollution of the air and land are two reasons behind the changes. Rain carries dangerous substances into ocean waters. It also washes chemicals that pollute the land into the ocean. These chemicals harm the reefs, which need clear, clean water to survive. Another problem might be the warming temperatures. Corals grow in warm oceans. However, if the water is too warm, they die. The Great Barrier Reef took a long time to form. To save the reef from destruction, the Australian government has passed laws to protect it. Anyone who knowingly breaks these laws will be penalized. In addition, scientists all over the world are putting their ideas together. Before long, they might conceive more ways to protect this natural treasure.